Bonjour et bienvenue à tous and welcome back to Decoding French in India, where we make French fun and easy. This time we'll be diving into French prepositions, those tiny little magical words that connect everything in your sentences. Ready? Let's go! Now, what are prepositions? We need to know what are prepositions to learn them in French. Prepositions are relationships between nouns or even pronouns with another word or element in the sentence. They can be used on basis of place, time, direction, cause, manner, or means. Okay, now let's look at these one by one with example. Place. This is something which is very common. Like suppose you said the cup is on the table. On will be the preposition in your sentence. Now time. Like time is used to tell like something. So here's an example. The meeting is at 3 o'clock p.m. At will be the preposition. Now direction. They are going to the park. To will be the preposition. Cause. Like I'm not going out because it's raining. Because will be the preposition here, and because is also a connective. Okay, we'll learn about connectives in a future video, so do stay tuned. Now manner or means, like they are going by the car, so by will be the preposition in the sentence. Okay, now let's look at the prepositions in French. Now here is the place preposition lieu. Okay, we have a first up, like it can be used to say at, to, or even in. So let's see this one. Je suis à Paris. This is trying to say I'm in Paris. This one is saying il va à l'école. He is going to school. Okay, so here to it is trying to mean, and here in it's trying to mean. Okay, now we have dans. Say it with me. Dans. Dans. Okay, it means in or inside. Like le livre est dans la boîte, which means the book is in the box. Here in is what dans is translated to. Thirdly, we have sur. On. It means on. So say sur with me. Sur. Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Start. Good. So sur. Now here's an example. Le téléphone est sur la table. It means the phone is on the table. Here, sur translates to on in the sentence, and every time it will be on. Now we have sous, which means under. Here's an example. Le chat est sous la chaise. It means the cat is under the chair. Now, can you guess in which of these words is sous? That's right, under. So, sous translates to under. We have entre, which means between. Between, huh? So, entre, entre. Don't get confused with the meaning to think it's entry, okay? So, please say entre, which means between. So, please don't think the meaning is entry, no matter how similar the spelling is to entry in English, okay? Now, an example here is la lampe est entre les deux lits. It means the lamp is between the two beds. Now, where do you think is entre? Which word translates? Here we go. Between. Entre does translate to between. So please remember. Okay, so now we have devant, which means in front of. It's not devant, it's devant. Kind of like the and vent. Okay, the plus vent, devant. Okay, so devant translates to in front of. Here's your example. Elle est devant la maison. It means she is in front of the house. Now, in front of is devant here. So, devant. So now we have derrière, which means behind. Here's the example. Le jardin est derrière la maison. It means the garden is behind the house. And here, behind in French is derrière. So, derrière, repeat after me. Derrière, it's not derrière. What you all might be saying, it's derrière. Try again. In summary, we covered the prepositions of place. So here they are: a for at, to or in; dans for in or inside; sur for on; sous for under; entre for between; devant in front of; derrière behind. Well, we'll be covering more prepositions in the next video, so keep watching for more. Well, in our subsequent videos, we will be covering prepositions of time, direction, cause, manner, and means, as well as common phrases. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Au revoir.